Hello, everyone, and welcome to Fearless Fridays. My name is Dr. Benjamin Ritter. I'm a leadership and career coach that guides leaders to become the leader of their own career and then create a career that they can love. So if you feel stuck, if you're not really sure what you want to do for your career, if you don't believe in yourself enough to do that, then you need to cultivate a community to support you in that process, not just for today, but for the years to come. Send me a message. We have a solution. Now, I can't tell you how many people I talk to who are on the job search and go on LinkedIn to hit apply to a position and see 200 applicants, 300 applicants, 500 applicants, 1,200 applicants. I don't care what the number is. They look at a number of who they think they're competing against and they get discouraged. They get negative. They get scared. They get worried. They start doubting themselves. And then they don't even apply to the position. You need to stop looking at reasons not to do something or why you're not good enough. This is a really great example of a bigger issue. What are you focusing on? I can sit here and tell you the reasons why that number doesn't matter. One, it doesn't fully count the people that have actually applied to the position. The number is overinflated. Two, 90% of the people that apply for a position aren't actually qualified for the position. It could be a director level role and you'll get entry level employees or cashiers at a local store. The other piece is that most resumes are absolutely terrible. If you have not used someone actually to write your resume professionally and paid money for it, or spent hours upon hours trying to figure out a very simple text-based, white-spaced version of your resume, it's terrible. And so that means that probably 95% of the resumes that are getting submitted of those thousands of people that have applied don't matter. I can sit here. I can tell you all the reasons why those numbers don't matter, but that isn't the point. The point is, are you looking for excuses not to do something? Are you looking for reasons on why you're not good enough? Put some new rose-colored lenses on. That actually is a really good phrase. See yourself as a strong candidate. Put the time and energy in to make sure you are a strong candidate. And then go out there and make things happen for yourself. Apply to the position despite there being 500 people that have applied. But then how about do something that those 500 people haven't done? Are you taking control of the situations in front of you or allowing them to dictate your success? Okay, that's my soapbox. Happy Friday, everyone, or whenever you're listening to this. Most importantly, keep on living for yourself.